Ford CEO Jim Farley recently announced a groundbreaking development that has the potential to redefine the automotive industry. The revelation of a revolutionary new engine, touted to challenge the dominance of electric vehicles, EVs, has sent shockwaves through the automotive and energy sectors. This monumental announcement highlights Ford's determination to remain a key player in an increasingly competitive market, showcasing their focus on innovation and forward-thinking solutions. The implications of this new engine technology are vast, as it signals a dramatic shift in the trajectory of internal combustion engine, ICE, development, targeting what many assumed was an inevitable EV future. Before we start, smash the like and subscribe buttons for more updates. The engine, unveiled during a high-profile event, represents the culmination of cutting-edge engineering designed to address both performance and environmental concerns. Unlike traditional internal combustion engines, this new powertrain is described as highly efficient, environmentally friendlier, and capable of outperforming even some of the most advanced EVs on the market. Ford's engineers appear to have tackled the long-standing challenges of fuel consumption and emissions, presenting an alternative that could rival the efficiency and appeal of electric powertrains. It is a bold move, positioning the company as a leader in innovation while challenging the prevailing narrative of the EV revolution. Farley's announcement comes at a time when the automotive industry is undergoing a rapid transformation. Automakers worldwide are investing heavily in EV technologies, pivoting toward a vision of reduced reliance on fossil fuels. However, Ford's new engine introduces a surprising counterpoint, suggesting that there is still untapped potential in ICE technology. By doing so, Ford is not only preserving an option for traditional car enthusiasts, but also creating a compelling case for consumers who may have been hesitant to embrace electric vehicles due to concerns over charging infrastructure, range anxiety, or battery disposal issues. The unveiling was accompanied by a series of demonstrations that highlighted the engine's remarkable capabilities. The powertrain delivered exceptional torque and acceleration, outpacing comparable EVs in certain tests. This performance advantage positions Ford's technology as a serious competitor in the high-performance segment, where electric vehicles have often been celebrated for their instant torque and rapid acceleration. The new engine also boasts impressive fuel economy, achieved through a combination of advanced materials, innovative combustion techniques, and proprietary software designed to optimize performance in real time. One of the most significant aspects of this engine is its environmental profile. Ford has integrated cutting-edge emission reduction technologies, allowing the powertrain to produce significantly lower levels of pollutants compared to conventional ICEs. This advancement addresses a key criticism of traditional engines, which have long been seen as major contributors to greenhouse gas emissions and urban air pollution. By achieving such breakthroughs, Ford challenges the perception that only electric vehicles can lead the way to a greener future. This development not only provides a sustainable alternative for regions where EV adoption is slower due to infrastructure challenges, but also ensures compliance with increasingly stringent global emission standards. The impact of this announcement extends beyond the automotive industry, influencing various related sectors. The energy industry, for instance, could see a shift in demand patterns as the adoption of Ford's advanced engine technology grows. Unlike EVs, which rely heavily on electricity generated from renewable and non-renewable sources, Ford's engine offers flexibility in fuel usage, potentially paving the way for the wider adoption of cleaner synthetic fuels or biofuels. This adaptability could reduce the strain on existing power grids, which are already facing challenges in regions with rapid EV adoption. The implications for the global supply chain are equally significant. Electric vehicles depend on a complex and often geographically concentrated supply chain for batteries, particularly involving rare earth metals such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel. These resources are not only limited, but also raise environmental and ethical concerns due to the mining practices involved. Ford's new engine offers a compelling alternative, potentially reducing reliance on these materials and providing automakers with a more sustainable and ethically sound production model. Another key aspect of this development is the potential to reinvigorate the automotive enthusiast community, which has often lamented the declining prominence of ICEs. Ford's new engine capitalizes on these uncertainties, presenting a solution that leverages existing infrastructure while addressing the environmental demands of the modern world. This strategic positioning could allow Ford to capture a significant share of the market, appealing to a broad spectrum of consumers and stakeholders. Farley's leadership and vision are evident in this bold move, which underscores Ford's commitment to innovation and adaptability. By challenging the status quo, the company not only demonstrates its engineering prowess, but also reaffirms its position as a leader in the global automotive industry. This announcement serves as a reminder that technological progress is rarely linear, and that unexpected breakthroughs can reshape industries in profound ways. The ripple effects of Ford's new engine are likely to be felt for years to come, influencing everything from consumer preferences to regulatory frameworks. It also reignites a broader debate about the best path toward a sustainable future, challenging assumptions about the inevitability of an all-electric world. In doing so, Ford has sparked a conversation that extends far beyond the confines of the automotive industry, touching on issues of energy policy, environmental stewardship, and technological innovation. As the dust settles on this announcement, the world will be watching closely to see how the industry responds. Will Ford's competitors rise to the challenge? Or will this engine mark the beginning of a new era dominated by hybridized and alternative ICE technologies? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: Ford has thrown down the gauntlet, and the automotive landscape will never be the same. Ford's announcement of its groundbreaking new engine has set the stage for an industry-wide recalibration. Beyond its immediate implications, the ripple effects of this development will impact future technological priorities, corporate strategies, and consumer expectations. As the automotive world pivots to address the challenges and opportunities presented by this revolutionary engine, a deeper exploration reveals just how transformative it could become. The foundation of this innovation lies in its ability to shatter long-standing perceptions about the potential of internal combustion engines. For decades, internal combustion technology was viewed as a plateaued science, with diminishing returns on improvements. Fuel efficiency gains, emission reductions, and performance upgrades seemed to be incremental rather than revolutionary.